Now let's look at the special effects on the V440HD. We'll start with the wipe functions. Rather than mix one video bus into another, we can use a wipe pattern to move one video image onto another. Select a wipe pattern from the SD or HD section, then use the fader to actuate the wipe. Though rarely used, wipes can be an impressive effect for your video performance. You can also opt to cut rather than mix. With the cut function turned on, the fader will quickly cut between buses when it reaches midpoint. Going back to mix will restore normal mixing function of the T-bar. The auto button will allow you to do automatic cuts and mixes without the need to move the T-bar. If you selected mix, the auto button will automatically mix the two buses. You can adjust how slowly the mix occurs by adjusting the time knob. It will display the mix time in seconds. If you use the auto button with the cut function engaged, you will get instant switches between your video buses. Now let's talk about picture-in-picture, or PIP. You can create a PIP effect in either the SD or the HD sections. You can even have an SD PIP and an HD PIP occur together. To create a PIP effect, select one of the 5 primary PIP types. You can select either of the 4 corners or the center. Let's start with SD PIP. Select a PIP type, fade in the bus with the inserted PIP video, and your PIP image will appear in that corner. You can unlock the PIP joystick and move your PIP around the screen. You can also use the PIP size knob to change the size of your PIP window. The PIP lock button will keep your PIP window where you want it. The HD section has its own PIP control. Not only can you select a PIP area and adjust the size of your PIP window, you can also use the PIP zoom feature to zoom in or zoom out the video image inside your PIP window. This will help you eliminate any black edges in your PIP image, as well as help you zoom in on the only video portion that you want to see inside the PIP window. To turn off your PIP window, you can fade it out using the T-bar, fade it out with the auto button, or turn off your PIP pattern button. Now let's look at the V440HD's keying effects. Keying is a method of removing a color from one image and allowing another image to appear in its place. Keying, also known as green screen or blue screen, will allow you to place a video subject or still image into a video stream seamlessly, much like the way a weatherman appears before a map on TV news. There are 2 primary types of keying. Luma key or luminance keying will key on either black or white. Chroma or color keying will key on one specific color, usually green or blue. The V440HD menu will let you select whether you want white, black, green, or blue keying on the SD or HD keying effect. Once you've settled on a key type, key your video by pressing the key button on the SD or HD section. The key level knob will adjust how much keying occurs in your video. The V440HD menu will give you some additional controls, such as soft edge, which can help reduce the harsh edges that may appear on your keyed video. Keying can be used to superimpose text over your video. A computer's PC RGB output can be connected to an HD input on the V440HD. Since the V440HD employs brilliant high-definition resolution, white text on a black background that is keyed over your video with a Luma key will layer clear, sharp text onto your video. Keying can also be used to key in any images, video, or text, including station identification or attractive bottom thirds, to help your viewers understand what is being presented. When a video sequence or video presentation is over, you can fade out to black using the Output Fade button. Pressing the Output Fade button will fade the video to black, or fade it back in from black. The adjoining time knob will control how fast your output fade occurs. Once you have made all the adjustments you need for a perfect video mix, you can save your settings in the Panel Preset section. To save the current setup on your V440HD, including all buses, input formats, and effects, just press and hold one of the Panel Preset buttons. All of your settings will be saved there. You can save up to 15 presets and call them back by pressing the appropriate Panel Preset button.